you're all doing amazingly well today. So welcome to another video. Today is going to be more of a self-care kind of morning, early afternoon routine, just to show you a little bit more into my life, things that I'm doing whilst we're on lockdown, and kind of just how I'm taking care of myself, staying healthy, things I'm focusing on, just general day-to-day stuff. And yeah, like it literally is like a quick kind of morning routine rather than a full day. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. And I'm so sorry I'm doing this intro on my phone because I've been filming all morning and my camera just died, so it's probably very different quality to my camera, so I'm so sorry for that. And it's really hard when you're on your phone where to look. So I'm like, do I look there? Do I look there? Do I look, you know? So I'm so sorry for that. I'm a little bit shiny now. I'm a little bit warm. Anyway, and you always see me in this jacket as well, and that's because I'm obsessed with it, and I've just washed it, so it smells like washing powder, which I love. That fresh, clean smell. It's just amazing. So yeah, this is just a casual self-care morning routine. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah. Let's just jump into the video. So at the moment I'm actually trying not to wash my hair so much, so hence why I'm using dry shampoo, and I am just plaiting up my hair. Don't mind the mess at the back on the bed, that is from Gary's man cave, because we're having a massive clear out and we're getting rid of a load of crap that we've kind of hoarded in our house over the last few years. So yeah, don't mind that. So here I'm just French plaiting my hair, so I'd just like to put it in pigtails, which obviously you saw from my intro clip, but yeah, I like to French plait my hair, which is really simple to do. I don't know if many people know how to do it, but I really love it, so there you go. So as soon as I've done my hair, I go in with my GHD hairspray and tidy everything up as always. I then go in with my Alien perfume just to smell nice, and then I do a really simple skin care regime. So I go in with my Barbie Beauty Bariti Booster Skin Oil. I kind of mix between this and the CBD, depends how I'm feeling. I then go in with my Origins eye cream. I just dot that under my eyes and leave it there for a little while, and then kind of go with my Novo lashes, or Novo lashes, I don't know if that's how you call it. It's a conditioning serum, so I put this on my eyelashes and my eyebrows, and it helps them to grow and conditions them, makes them really, you know, lovely. And then I go with my Project Lip Plumping Balm, which gives me a bit of a tingle in the morning, but it helps to plump your lips up. And then we go with makeup, and that's kind of how it goes. I go in with bit of concealer just to cover some acne scars. I love my Nude Sticks foundation, so I go in with that. It's really natural, really light, so it doesn't feel like foundation at all. It's more like, I would say, tinted moisturiser. And then a bit of blusher, and there you are. That's the look for the day. I'd probably go in with a bit of lipstick as well. Yeah, no, lip pencil. Boom. You guys, I hope you're all doing amazingly well. I'm just a bit quiet because Gary's on a conference call. So I'm just going to close the kitchen door because I'm going to do some smoothies. So I just wanted to show you some of the things that I do because Gary and I have really got into health and well-being and we're really trying hard to ensure that we are being as healthy as we possibly can be. So I bought a load of fruit and I've just been freezing them all. So I've got like blueberries, raspberries, chopped banana, some strawberries, and I'm literally bagging up some spinach here. So I've just created a bag for the freezer because I find that it's easier to put the coffee down. I'm just cracking on. I just find that it's easier to I've just bagged up another bag of strawberries as well, which I'll replenish the strawberry bag. So I find that fruit goes off like so quickly and it's such a waste. That's my dishwasher. I wonder what that was then. And it ends up going off really quickly before we even get a chance to actually properly eat it. So I'm just taking the time to cut everything up. Noises everywhere, and put them into freezer bags and just popping them in the freezer so we can have them with smoothies. And we try and have smoothies like every other morning, and I really enjoy it. So that's what's happening today. So we are determined during this crisis to just be as healthy as we possibly can be, because that's only what you can do, right? It's all about obviously self-care and self-love. So I just wanted to give you a little update, and yeah, let's make some smoothies. So Gary's gonna have his with some pineapple juice, and I want mine with some grape, apple and raspberry juice. So there's those. I kind of half mix a juice, half water, and you have like, I've got a Ninja food blender. So we add 200 of water and juice, and 200 ml, sorry, of water and juice, and then we add all the ingredients and just give it a blast. So let's just get started. yeah, guys, that is it. That is my self-care morning routine. To be honest, it's probably more just a casual morning routine, but that's while I'm working. And not every day is the same. Sometimes I start my day earlier, sometimes it's a little bit later. It just really depends on when I've got meetings and all that good stuff. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, just like maybe a little bit of time just to take your mind away from all the nonsense happening in the world right now, which is just affecting every single one of us. But yeah, I hope you're all doing amazingly well. Please do take care of yourself. You know, health is wealth. And that's cheesy, right? But it's so important to obviously take care of yourself and have that time for self-love and just taking care of you as well as those people around you. So you'd be no good to anyone if you're not healthy, right? So for me, I think it's incredibly important that we take this time to just really focus on ourselves as well as, you know, our family. If you've got children, your husbands, your wives, your partners, whoever it may be, your parents, anyone, you need to obviously take care of number one as well. So please do that, and please, you know, I'd love to know what you're doing that's, you know, self-care for you. Some mornings for me are different because I try and do yoga in the morning now. I don't do it every morning, but I do take some time for myself, and I just have that yoga, or I'll go for a walk, and as you saw, so this is just, you know, it's so essential to have a bit of exercise, to obviously take time out to read, to just refocus, rejuvenate if you can, you know. I am just tired of seeing video content of people saying, you know, in the day just lie out in the sunshine, or you know, sleep in till all hours. And that may be great for people that obviously have that time, and maybe some influencers, they do have that time, and you know, nothing against that. But I am an influencer, but I'm also a 9-to-5 worker. Like, I have a job separately, and I don't get to, you know, sleep in till 11-12 o'clock and then stretch my body and then go and lie in the sunshine outside. One, because it's freezing cold in the UK, but two, because, you know, I have things to do, and I'm still obviously nothing against this. It sounds really bad, like nothing against that, like amazing if you have that opportunity in your life to do that, like take full advantage. I say, just please do. But I'm still drinking my smoothie, by the way. But like, and that's not everyone's circumstances, and I do think people need to be very aware of that, because some people, like the NHS here in the UK, like they don't get to be at home with their families. There's some key workers, you know, on the phone that are supporting people to make sure they've got their internet and their TV still sorted. And, you know, there's the garbage men, there's, you know, people that work in the supermarkets, so obviously just ensure that we're all getting our food. Like, it's just not everyone's circumstances are the same, and I think some videos that I've seen are really insensitive to that, and maybe they don't necessarily mean to be, but I think we have to be mindful, especially because not everyone is in the same boat. Like, we're not all privileged enough to work from home, we're not all privileged enough to still have our job, we're not, you know, and I think you do best with what you have. So I'm sorry for that little rant, pep talky thing, but I just do think we have a responsibility as influencers, content creators, to ensure that we are speaking to everybody, because this may be my life, but it may not be very similar to yours, and whatever circumstances you are going through, it doesn't mean anything that you are doing is less than what I am doing, or anything that I'm doing is less than what you are doing. Like, we are all working hard and trying our best to kind of make the most of this situation as best as we can, because I mean, we're all clueless, right? No one knows what the future is going to hold. We just hope that we're going to make our way through this. So yeah, I just hope you are all, you know, bearing that in mind, keeping safe, contacting loved ones to ensure that they're okay, and just doing what you can, really, like, and try and be happy. Find some happiness and peace within all of this, because if you don't, your mental health is going to suffer, and I just really don't want to see that. Like, I want to ensure my community and the people that obviously subscribe to my channel and watch my videos are all doing their best to keep themselves well. And obviously, if you need someone to talk to, if you just want to have a bit of a chin wag, please do comment in my comment box below. I will honestly get back to you, and we can have a good chit chat. And I just want to make sure that everyone is doing okay. I hope you enjoyed this routine. I hope you found some inspiration in there. Maybe make yourself a smoothie if you can, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.